in this video, I'm going to give you guys an intro to the multiplying cells task that we're going to be doing in class. All right, let's look at this example. It says, Miss Betty's class has a 1-hour science lab. Each student is given a dish with 1 cell in it. The class was told that after 10 minutes, the cell will divide into 2 cells. And for every 10 minutes after that, each cell will divide into 2 cells. Ooh, it's going to be a whole lot. All right, let's complete the table below. So, as you can see, that first row is representing the time in minutes. Second row, the number of cells there will be in the dish, and then writing it as a power of 2. All right, so we already know, without any time going by, we are starting off with 1 cell. And so I'm going to write that as 2 to the power of 0. All right, after 10 minutes, remember that 1 cell divides into 2. That's why I have a 2 right there. Okay, after another 10 minutes, those 2 cells, and just to give you a picture, they divide into 2. So now I got boop, 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 boop. I got 4. How do you write that as a power of 2? 2 to the power of 2, because that equals 4. After another 10 minutes, each one of those cells that are 4, they're going to divide into 2. So how many cells am I going to have? You got it, 8. So that would be 2 to the power of 3, because 2 to the power of 3 equals 8. After another 10 minutes, those 8 cells are going to divide into 2. So now how many cells will I have in all? You got it, 16. And that's going to be 2 to the power of 4. And that's how you complete the table. All right, now let's answer the question. How many cells will be in the dish after 2 hours? Whoa, we were just talking about what happens after 10 minutes at a time. All right, let's break this down into 3 steps. First of all, we need to convert the hours to minutes because as you can see in the table, they were given the time in minutes. So I'm going to take the 2 hours and multiply it times 60 because there are 60 minutes in 1 hour. And when I do that, I will get 120. So that's going to be my 120 minutes. All right, so 120 minutes represents 2 hours. Great. Now, as you have seen in the word problem, the cells don't divide into 2 until after 10 minutes. So I'll take that total time and divide it by 10 because it's not separating. The cells are not separating into 2 different cells until after 10 minutes has gone by. So when I do that, 120 divided by 10 equals 12. So now that's the number I will raise to the power of 2. So then 2 to the power of 12 is what I will type in my calculator. And when I do 2 to the power of 12, I will get 4,096 cells. And that's it.